Where we at?
We is in Santa Monica on a Tuesday.
Ooh, look at cousin Bob stepping down. We going to Benny's.
We going to Benny's. We gonna get some little drinky drink, eat good.
Yeah, watch the show.
The show.
Oh, what's there? Crossroad.
Oh, this is a different.
Thank you. Thank you. They both have soy sauce, and the mustard has garlic, honey, and also sesame seeds. And this one has onion, garlic, lemon, and ginger.
I have garlic butter.
Of course.
Oh, I would like some of
I usually I have extra, so I'm gonna leave them right here.
Okay.
So they're cooking our meal.
I don't usually have salt in the lobster because it just becomes a little bit salty, but I think the garlic butter would definitely help that flavor, yeah.
Hey, second drink.
Number 2, looks like she'll be there.
Hey.
And a tornado! Whoa, whoa. Oh, crazy weather in LA, oh my god.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey. All right, y'all. So we are now on the promenade, and we're gonna see what we can get. Where we going, cousin? Nike? Period.
Just checking out the scenery here.
Period. Alright, so we're at the end, or like I guess it's the beginning of the promenade. So nice.
To be honest.
With the LV. I think that's Dua Lipa up there.
We have to go to Zara.
What we doing? Period, we're at Cheesecake Factory.
Next bar. Next bar.
Yes, where the more drinks.
Dessert and drinks. Here we come. The chocolate bread, and then can I do the warm apple crisp?
I'm on set. Black people after they eat be like, I need some sweet.
I need some sweet.
What do you have there, cousin?
The apple crisp with some ice cream.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Warm apple pie, cinnamon.
Yeah, get into it.
Brown sugar.
Period. Fashion show. Model. Okay. Oh, that was the bag over there. No. Cousin had us another sweet too.
Okay.
We came to get
Another sweet.
some candy.
Welcome to paradise. ParadiseSomethingSweet.com.
It's sugar.
Okay.
So we didn't came to the Apple store. Cousin wants to get a new phone. That's the one you're interested in?
I like the iPhone 13, but the Pro is nice.
The Pro is nice. This is a beautiful color. I like how they got their MagSafe thing now. That's branding right there, okay? Apple know how to do it.
Period. Wow.
The Apple store in Santa Monica is so nice. It's like huge in here. You got some grass on the wall and the HomePod Mini. Yeah, you didn't see? They got like the new, it's like the new Apple Music, right? So you pay like, man, this T-Mobile store is so legit. Like, has to be the best T-Mobile store in LA. She wants the new iPhone, y'all. That 13.